What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install the APK file on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, open a browser from where you want to download the APK file. So you can download it from Chrome. Now search for the file. Now search for the app or file that you want to install as a APK file, and then open a link from where you want to download and then tap on download. Now from this pop-up, if you are sure the file is safe, then tap on download anyway. Then it will start downloading the file. You can tap on details to view the details of the file. And after downloading this file, tap on the file and then it will show a pop-up on the screen. So from that pop-up, tap on install and then this file will be installed in your phone. So that's how you can install APK files on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.